The news in detail. The recent district council elections in Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills recorded a significant voter turnout of 72.45% in KHADC and 82.73% in JHADC. The polls were largely peaceful despite minor incidents including attacks on polling stations and damage to EVMs in 2 JHADC constituencies. The elections saw 272 candidates vying for seats with 158 candidates in KHADC and 114 in JHADC. Nongspong Soyong witnessed the highest turnout at 86.07%, while Jirang recorded the lowest turnout at 51.46%. JHADC also experienced minor mob violence with EVMs damaged in 2 constituencies. The District Council Affairs Commissioner Cyril V.D. Diengdo provided these details.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the polling parties have left their polling stations and are on their way to the receiving stations. Some of them have also arrived at the receiving centres. So in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in all the districts, there was no report of any incidents of violence or any issues. The poll was conducted peacefully in all the Khasi Hills districts. So the district administration is taking due care. There is no report of any injury to anyone. All our people are safe, except that the EVM has been damaged. So on account of the EVM being damaged, we have ordered a repoll.
Repolling was conducted in East